Hi guys, so today I have color game, Unity color game. It's developed using C# Unity, and it also has a can also this coin collection, can earn coins. So first of all, let's just log in and then can explore the features. The source code is also there. You can download. Is the link in the description below. Just a minute as I log in. Yeah, there we have it. So this is the color game, color dice game or home. Yeah, let's say home. So you can stake some few coins, then you can roll the dice, roll the cubes, and then by pulling the rope, that's where you initiate play. As you can see, yellow, white, yellow. So we lost since we staked on pink. As you can see, the coins now is 3760. So I'll try it again. Shuffle a bit. Let's try it again. Let's try yellow this time. Let's try red. Okay, so this game is like it's 100% random. Also, let's check the users and the coins and saved on Firebase real-time database. So I use the Spark plan, so it's free. You can also, with the source code, you'll have the script, the JSON file. So you can also create a Firebase database, and then you can import the JSON and play around with it. So those are the assets and the scripts. Yeah, the scripts, the assets. So this is the scene. So this is the result screen script, which displays the winning, the colors which have won. And then also this is the script for shuffling the cubes, so that it can be totally random. Yeah, let's run it in real time. Shuffle a bit, then roll it. Yellow, yellow, red. So let's build it and run. so that we can be able to run it from the setup directly without having to launch the editor. There we have it. Also register a new user. So each time you register, you get 10 coins just to try it out. But you can adjust all this stuff. So you download the source code, you can play around with it, modify it, make it better. So let's log in. There we have it. As you can see, we have 10 coins. So let's take around 2 white, roll it a bit, shuffle a bit and then roll it. We've lost that one. So you can see the coins are now 8. Yeah, so that's it for this episode. Kindly like and subscribe if you find it useful. You can also download the source code, it will help a lot, to produce more content in the future. Okay, thank you.